Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia. In day 118 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge, we are almost to the end of our journey. We are finishing up exercises in arpeggiations with exercise number 173.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So I'm going to make a disclaimer. I hate exercise 173. I hate everything that sounds like this. This was definitely a kind of exercise that I just never did in college, ever. Okay, like my voice, I just didn't do this. So this is lots of fun. We've got this da 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 da, and we keep going up and up and up and keep going down and down and down. So those intervals become bigger. And why I don't like this exercise is because the tuning going to that descending note is just always so tricky because it's so easy to undershoot it or overshoot it, and you're in the wrong registration. So let's do it slow. Okay, we're going to do this pretty slow together, very nice and even, making sure that the tuning people, because here's what you don't know about tuning. Tuning it's not just good to be in tune, which obviously it's kind of essential, but it's also an indicator of technique, because if you're out of tune, you're usually out of registration. So the tuning can tell you a lot about how have you aligned your registration for that note that you're singing. So, if you overestimate it and give too much chest voice as you're coming down, the note's going to be a little flat. If you give too much head voice, it might be a little sharp. I mean, that's not the only indication. Can also go, flat or sharp for other reasons as well. But that is a good indication of technical prowess. So it's really good to take this step by step and just really double check the tuning on all of these descending and ascending intervals. And here is exercise 173. I think I was a little off at the end. Let me just do that last one again. That one is really hard. That B, linking up to that B is really, really tricky. Okay, but we did it.